The political landscape in Zimbabwe has been set ablaze by explosive allegations of a deepening rift within the highest offices of the land. Recent reports suggested that a clandestine alliance is formed between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and former Cabinet Minister ZVAITWA. The partnership is purportedly aimed at dismantling the influence of Vice President Chiwenga, signaling a brutal internal power struggle that could reshape the nation's future before the end of April. Sarabina mashukuru kuda panguva ino achinyorwa mubepa nawo reZim News Live. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tinopinda tiona vachinyora headline runs kaswere working with mnangagwa to remove VP Chiwenga. At the heart of the controversy is the emergency of a parallel structure within the Zimbabwean military. Allegations have surfaced claiming that Mini Chiwenga is actively coordinating with certain army generals to facilitate a move against the president. These claims are being amplified by intelligence-linked social media accounts, which suggest that the military is currently split into two warring factions: these loyal to the 2030 visions and those vehemently opposed to the constitutional extensions. The role of ZVAITWA has taken a surprising turn, with some insiders claiming he is operating as an intelligence asset for the current administration to help identify and neutralize internal threats. These reports suggest that high-level surveillance is being conducted on opposition figures and military personnel alike. The tension is palpable as the government prepares for the Third Amendment of the Constitution, a move that many believe will be the catalyst for a total purge of the Vice President's allies. Beyond the political drama, the region is facing significant economic shifts. While Zimbabwe celebrates international recognition for its tourism and natural wonders, the domestic reality is shaped by rising fuel prices and a changing automotive market. The influx of high-tech Chinese vehicles is disrupting traditional brands, reflecting a broader shift in trade dependencies that mirrors the shifting political alliances within the Southern African Development Community SADC region. As the 90-day window for these predicted changes begins to close, all eyes are on the Zimbabwean military and the upcoming national events. Whether these allegations of a coup plot are a precursor to actual military actions or a strategic smear campaign remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain: the era of unity within the ruling party is fractured, leaving a vacuum that could lead to one of the most significant political resets since 2017. Toma developments aripo mune zviri kuitika zvematongerwo nyika muZimbabwe. Pena kumasection medu dzamafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Musangana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.